Toronto, a dynamic metropolis, stands as the cultural, financial, and entertainment capital of Canada. This city is not just Canada's largest, but also one of the most multicultural urban areas in the world, making it a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and traditions. Home to over 2.8 million residents, Toronto's diversity is its strength. Each neighborhood tells a different story, each street corner plays a different melody. From the historic elegance of the St. Lawrence Market to the bustling streets, Toronto offers a myriad of experiences that cater to all tastes and interests. Whether you're visiting to explore its historical landmarks, indulge in its culinary delights, or simply soak in its vibrant atmosphere, Toronto is a city that welcomes all with open arms and endless possibilities. Getting around Toronto is a breeze with its comprehensive and efficient public transport system. The Toronto Transit Commission, or TTC, operates subways, buses, and streetcars that cover all corners of the city. For those looking to travel a bit further, the GO Train provides reliable service. For visitors, the Toronto City Pass is a cost-effective option that not only offers discounted rates to major attractions, but also includes public transportation options. Consider renting a bike to explore the city's numerous bike-friendly lanes. Walking is another excellent way to discover Toronto. Many of its attractions are within walking distance from each other, especially in the downtown core. Toronto is home to some of the most iconic sites in Canada, like the towering CN Tower, one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world. From its skypod, you get unprecedented views of the city and Lake Ontario. Don't miss out on Toronto's vibrant annual events. North America's largest street festival showcases the lively spirit of Caribbean culture. For a unique experience, stroll through the historic Distillery District, where Victorian architecture with hitch is now houses and shops, art galleries and eateries. Toronto is not just skyscrapers and urban sprawl, it also boasts some beautiful green spaces. High Park, the largest public park in Toronto, offers hiking trails, sports facilities, and even a zoo. During spring, the cherry blossoms here are a sight to behold. Meanwhile, Edwards Gardens serves as a botanical haven, ideal for those looking to enjoy serene walks. Each park offers unique activities like picnicking, sports, and seasonal festivals, making them perfect for a family outing or a quiet retreat. Toronto's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. The city's melting pot of cultures means that you can enjoy authentic dim sum, hearty Italian pastas, spicy Indian curries, and traditional Canadian dishes all within a few blocks. St. Lawrence Market is a must-visit. Here, vendors sell fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and other. Landscape has an array of options to satisfy any palate. Toronto is a shopper's paradise, offering everything, including the high-end boutiques. It is a popular destination. For those looking for unique finds, Queen West hosts a variety of vintage stores and local art shops. Meanwhile, Kensington Market offers a bohemian vibe. Diverse shopping districts provide plentiful choices for everyone. As the sun sets, Toronto transforms into a bustling hub of nightlife and entertainment. The city's diverse districts offer everything from upscale bars and clubs in the entertainment district to live music venues in Queen of Dancing. Head to one of Toronto's lively nightclubs or catch a live band at one of the local pubs. Toronto's multicultural landscape is best experienced through its numerous cultural districts. Chinatown offers a vibrant exploration of Asian cultures with its array of markets, restaurants, and festivals. Little Italy, known for its charming cafes and annual Taste of Little Italy Festival, provides a flavor of European culture in the heart of Toronto. Greektown on the Danforth is another cultural hotspot, famous for its fantastic Greek cuisine and the annual Toronto Greek Festival. These districts not only offer a glimpse into the diverse cultures that shape Toronto, but also host numerous festivals that celebrate this diversity throughout the year. Exploring these neighborhoods offers a rich cultural experience and a deeper understanding of the city's vibrant community. Toronto is filled with attractions that cater to families and children. The Ontario Science Centre features interactive exhibits that engage young minds in science and technology, while the Toronto Zoo, one of the largest in the world, showcases over 5,000 animals in various habitats. Additionally, numerous parks and museums offer special programs for children. These include the Royal Ontario Museum, which has exhibits and activities tailored to younger audiences, making learning fun and accessible. Whether it's learning about wildlife, engaging in interactive exhibits, or enjoying the city's many parks, Toronto offers countless opportunities for family fun. Toronto's vibrant seasons each offer unique activities. In winter, the city comes alive with outdoor ice rinks like the one at Nathan Phillips Square and winter festivals. Summer offers plenty of outdoor concerts, food festivals, and the popular Toronto Island Park, which becomes a hub for picnics, water sports, and beach activities. Spring and fall are no less exciting, with beautiful cherry blossoms in High Park and the colorful fall foliage in the city's many parks. No matter when you visit, Toronto's seasonal activities ensure that there's always something new to discover. Choosing the right accommodation in Toronto can enhance your travel experience. The city offers a range of options, from luxurious hotels in the downtown area to budget-friendly hostels and Airbnb properties. For those seeking a central location, staying near major attractions like the CN Tower or the Harbourfront might be ideal. Meanwhile, neighborhoods like West Queen West offer more eclectic and budget-friendly options. Considering your itinerary and budget will help you select the best place to stay, ensuring a comfortable and convenient visit to Toronto. Toronto is generally a safe city, but like any major metropolis, it's wise to stay aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Tourists should also be mindful of local laws and customs to avoid any misunderstandings. When using public transport or visiting crowded attractions, keeping your belongings secure and maintaining polite conduct ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience. Being respectful of the diverse cultures and communities you encounter will also enrich your visit. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure a safe and respectful visit to Toronto. Planning your budget is crucial for enjoying Toronto without financial stress. Accommodation typically forms the largest part of travel expenses, but there are options for every budget. Eating like a local at markets or street food stalls can also help save money while providing authentic culinary experiences. Public transportation is an economical way to get around, and purchasing tickets in bulk or using a travel pass can offer additional savings. Free activities like visiting public parks or attending free events can also help stretch your budget. By managing your finances wisely, you can enjoy all that Toronto has to offer without breaking the bank. Toronto is a city of endless possibilities, offering a rich tapestry of experiences that blend culture, cuisine, and adventure. From its towering skyscrapers to its peaceful green spaces, every corner of Toronto has something unique to offer. As you prepare for your trip, remember to embrace the diversity that defines this city. Explore beyond the typical tourist paths and immerse yourself in local neighborhoods. Toronto is a city that rewards curiosity with unforgettable experiences. So, pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore one of the most exhilarating cities in the world. Toronto awaits you with open arms.